Welcome to another Quaycraft quick build video. This crane kit for HMS Victorious is constructed from 3D printed resin parts and has been designed to be a simple, quick construction. The first part of the construction is to attach the roller system to one side of the jib frame. When attaching the small sections of the frame, the upper and lower sections at the front, you will notice that they are different sizes. The smaller goes on the underside of the frame. Once you have successfully fitted all of the upper and lower frames to one side of the jib, it's now time to add the other side on. Using a little superglue activator does speed up the curing process, especially when there's multiple areas to cure. Please remember, when using spray adhesives and sanding and working with resin parts, dust can get into the air and therefore cause you breathing issues, so please use a well ventilated area. For this model, we need to use the frames on the outside of the lower platform, thus being wide enough to take the jib when inserted at a later stage. Once the control system is complete, the jib can be added. This can either be glued into place or in some cases just drilled with a fine pin put through if a lifting effect is required. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, then you'll see every new video that comes out.